I start. You'll remember. Some of you might know Tobias Ben Jacob. Yes?
Yeah.
Fantastic performer guitarist who, luckily for me, has got famous and we don't see him anymore. He's here at the weekend though, at the Globe. Catch that if you can. He was listening to one of my songs one day and he said, if you just put that string down another bit, you get really nice chords like that. So that's a Tobias Ben Jacob chord, which I thought was so lovely that I had to write a song with it. So this is called Buckles and Buttons, and it was really because Joe said once, why are all your songs about old women? And I suddenly realised that they were.
They're the sexy one!
I don't know how to take that. So this is about men. Usual cliche, useless lumps of rubbish they are. But there's a bit more to them than some people say. It's been a hard night, it's been a hard fight, through a dark place. And in the daylight, he tries a smile and reaches out to touch her face. He says he wants to turn back the pages to when things were still okay. He doesn't want to just burnish these cages that they're living in today. He says the thing is, I believe there's more to life than this. But his mask slips as she pushes his fingertips away. Gets up early and makes some coffee and then sits in the dark alone. These are the only moments he gets these days when his thoughts can be his own. He used to be so out there, self-confident, the center of the fun. But now he just sits and wonders where the man he was is gone. He says, don't get me wrong, love them all, but sometimes I think I'm on the brink, and I'm only half trying not to fall. to orders without question. He never watches the news. He says it's not for people like me to express my points of view. It doesn't mean that I don't have them, I just keep them safely tucked away. Because I find that I can sleep then without the dreams of what I do each day. And when things get really rough, I just polish my buckles and buttons up, put a shine on my shoes that gets me through another day. Things get really rough, I just polish my buckles and buttons up, and put a shine on my shoes that gets me through another day. No, they don't know this. So public don't know.